A legal dispute has arisen in Reading, Berkshire, regarding a resident of a retirement community who moved his wife and two young children into his one-bedroom apartment, which is designated for individuals aged 55 and over. Shahidul Haque, 59, was granted occupancy in the property by Southern Housing in July of last year after being declared homeless. In December, his 28-year-old wife and their 3-year-old twin daughters joined him at the residence. Subsequently, the Housing Association received complaints from other residents regarding excessive noise and disruptive behaviour attributed to the family, leading to attempts to regain possession of the unit on the grounds of breaching the tenancy agreement. The case was heard at Reading County Court, where Mr. Haque's legal representation argued that he had not fully understood the terms of his tenancy due to limited proficiency in English and the absence of a translation or interpretation into Sylheti, his native language. They further contended that eviction would violate Article 8 of the European Convention on Human Rights, which protects the right to respect for private and family life, citing Mr. Haque's status as a disabled individual in receipt of benefits and the particular vulnerability of his recently arrived family. Southern Housing maintained that the presence of the young family was inappropriate for the retirement community and was negatively affecting the well-being of other residents. A representative for the association stated that the children's behaviour had resulted in ongoing disturbances, including misuse of safety features. A local councillor publicly criticised the defence, suggesting that the claim of misunderstanding was not credible given that Mr. Haque had previously completed official applications for housing and asylum. The presiding judge acknowledged the complexity and unusual nature of the situation, noting that while the family's occupancy appeared unsuitable, procedural and human rights considerations required further examination. The case has been adjourned, with a full hearing scheduled for January 6th to determine the outcome.